So you've been asked to do quad sets in your physical therapy session. What are they? What's the purpose of quad sets? And how do you perform them after a knee surgery or an injury? Hi, I'm Dr. Justin Lin, sports physical therapist at Rehab and Revive. Let's get to these answers shortly. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard to bring online exercise programs to you. You can find the link to our Revive at Home programs below in the descriptions box. We appreciate your support. Quad sets are a foundational exercise meant to reintroduce the brain-to-body connection to the knee. In other words, to re-educate the quadriceps muscle group after they've been shocked, likely due to trauma or surgery, or even to help move swelling. It's typically low impact and shouldn't cause too much pain. The best way to set up and do them correctly is in a seated, long sitting position. You want to stabilize with your heel down and either have a pillow or towel underneath the knee or some form of support like a half foam roll. And you can initiate the muscle contraction at first with a tightening of the quadriceps or with a light tapping on your hands in the inner or top of your thigh. The back of your knee could move downwards towards the surface you are on. Or in other words, you could think about straightening your knee and holding the contraction anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds.
A lot of people try to do this, and that's like really incorrect. That's what they think they're supposed to do, but really it's just isolating. It's the re-education, and they can hold it for a long time. You know, they could do rapid fire. But yeah, you shouldn't want to not do that to create a moment, especially post-surgery. And so same thing, you just drive it down and you keep your heel down. That's why I said heel down. So heel down is important. And then same thing, you tap, kind of wake that up. It's swollen a lot of times, so it does it, you can tap, give it pressure. That's what it's called.
Let us know your thoughts on our video. Please leave us some love or questions in the comment spots below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter.